Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Aimee, and today is going to be a very interesting episode because as you can see, I'm holding here the most controversial advent calendar that is available in the market that, made quite a scene on TikTok. So let's see and judge if it's really bad or, can give some justice, but I don't know. Let's see and find out. Today I'm going to unbox the Chanel Advent Calendar. Actually, this one is given to me by my staff because I stopped buying Chanel already. I just don't agree with their beliefs anymore. Actually, nice yung lalagyan niya. If only for the lalagyan, well, it's good. It's a good display. So, maybe I can display it. So, ito yung N5 nila, their signature scent. So, remember the Chanel N Factory? I posted it on my Instagram and I've completed everything. I have all of those. Okay, so, let's begin. Where is number 1? Nakikita mo ba? Dahil hindi ko siya nakikita. My gosh! Umpisa pa lang! Wala na siya, mga Mars! Totoo ba to? So, it's 27 in total. And they don't have, I don't know, saan nila to binase? Pero walang number 1. Ang taray. Okay, start tayo sa 30. Okay, I'm already ready to be disappointed. Ano to? Ano to? May pa-confetti. Okay, this is the N5 body cream. This is a tester that you give away when you buy a lot of cosmetics. I'm quite sure because there's nothing written on it. Okay, this is the first box and let's move on. Nakakaloka yung 85K tapos ganito. Hindi ko siya kinakaya. Umpisa pa lang. Mali mo naman! Parang wala. Oh my God! I think that TikTok girl is correct! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Sticker, Mars. Sticker siya. And wala naman tayong papapon. Nalaloka ako. It's really a sticker. These are just giveaways. Oh my God. Oh my God. I requested when they asked me what gift I wanted. And the reason why I accepted this is because I really just want to know if it was just being OA or it's real. And apparently, it is real. What is this? What is this? Please. I think this is a bookmark, but nevertheless, nothing by that. So far, wala pa akong nakakatuwaan kundi yung lalagyan. Diyos ko, pinili naman confetti ito. Marami ka pang ginastos. Oh my God! Totoo talaga yung TikTok, guys! Hindi ko to kinaya. Oh my God, what is this? It's a sticker? It's a magnet? Whatever it is, I don't... I find it useless. I'm not being harsh, but this is reality. I mean, it's not a joke to spend that much money, to get them. And yeah, you open it with so much disappointment. Nakakaloka. Gone are the days when, I'd go gaga over Chanel. I mean, everything Chanel I should have. Oh, that's a sad reality. But this is just an honest opinion, and this is just an honest unboxing. You see it as it is. Raw, as always. So, this one is another tester. I know, because they always give it out. Okay, yeah, it is. This is the one that yung Chanel 5 Factory. I have all of those. I've completed, so I have the real original, or I mean the original size of this. And is this even open? No, it's a display. It's not a perfume. It's a ceramic. Friend, di pa ako natutuwa sa ito. Oh my god! This is the most controversial! Totoo siya! Oh my god, dust bag! Totoo siya! Hindi ko siya kilaya. Dust bag talaga siya, guys. It's really a dust bag. What a letdown. Wala mo lang mabigat. Okay, congratulations for winning another sticker. There goes our 85K. And congratulations for another set of... You can see the disappointment on my face. It's a magnet. Really? For that amount of money? Really? Mali mo meron pa dyan. Sige lang. Utuin natin mga sarili natin. So far, this is quite okay. This is the N5 now, the PARFUM. So this is a 35 ml. This one is matino, so this is okay. But still doesn't add up. Okay. All of those. Loloka ko. Tigil na natin to. Ano to? Hindi ko to I'm not bashing. I'm not, you saw all my comments and all the rest of the brands, even with L'Occitane being, not maayos yung pagkakalagay. But this one, really? This one? Okay. Sana naman, meron naman worth it. Welcome to another batch of it's an N5 pin! Lang kwenta. Okay, this one looks okay. Quite okay. This one is Rouge Allure. That's limited edition. Okay, this one is a lipstick. So it's rouge, it's red. This one is okay. This one is acceptable. These are the things that, you expect. Okay, this one, I give this to Chanel Beauty counter clients for a specific amount of purchase. It's a globe. Parang kanina enjoy ako mag-start. Parang ngayon, gusto ko na lang itap. I remember that the official account of the brand, oh my god, the official account of the brand actually disabled their TikTok account because of the backlash, and now I can understand why. What's this? Please explain this to me. Really? Oh my god. Nalaloka ko talaga, promise. Naiiyak ako. What happened to my favorite brand? You know how much I used to love the brand. What's this? I think this is supposed to be a keychain, but this is a freebie, I'm sure. These are the testers that they give away when you buy in the boutique. See? I feel so bad about it, actually. Because, KARL's legacy lives in Chanel, and I've studied a lot about it. And for the longest time, I've had good relationship with the brand, and then suddenly when KARL died, everything spiraled down because of a lot of issues. I'm really disappointed. I don't think this is sobrang sayang yung pera. It's just another miniature that's a freebie over the counter. Feeling ko ito yung unboxing na hindi talaga ako natutuwa. You know why? Because I'm fortunate that this was given to me, so you know, but I feel bad for my friend who gifted this to me because I feel like I could have bought something nicer with that amount of money, or I could have used it for, you know, my charities. And what is this supposed to be? Ano to? Ay, dahil stress ako. Na-stress ako bigla. Okay. This one is quite okay because this one is a lipstick. This is number 58 lipstick. It's a miniature. I think this is not the full size. It's kind of red and neutral at the same time. So there, this is quite useful. Okay, this one. Ayan. Ayan. Meron naman palang hand cream. Okay, so this is the hand cream that everyone uses. So there, that's okay at least. Please. Parang wala na naman tong laman. Parang gusto ko magtapo. Oh my god. Please, is this something that we expect from the brand? I mean it in a nice way. This is like me crying out for this brand that I used to love and spent a lot of, you know, my hard-earned money for, because I believed in their vision during the era of KARL LAGERFELD, you know. It has been in the top of the top, and being part of those most memorable occasions in Chanel's history really saddens me. So I have completely stopped buying from them at all. I don't think it's worth the money anymore. Sumasakit yung ulo ko. Ano to? Isa na naman pong keychain, mga kapatid. Nagsayang po sila ng mga box. Hindi nila sinave ang Mother Earth. Okay, this is an N5 soap. So, ayan. Ito, at least medyo useful. This is a nail color. And it's red. So, this one. I used to buy mga like this before. There, this is the perfect red. There. So, ano to? Booklet ba ito? Mga cards? Sumasakit yung ulo ko. Oh my god. Sa dalawa na lang hindi nyo pa ako pasihin. I swear, nalulungkot ako to see them like this. There's nothing, I can't even use it. It seems like... Okay, isa na naman pong sticker. We're down to the last one. And from the looks of it, it's gonna be another sticker. It's a charm. But, ito naman ba yung tali? Ito naman mas maganda pa yung tali naman. Bookmark. It's number 5. Okay, so that's the end of it. Okay, I think the only thing that I love here, apart from these, the rest you can throw, is this one that I can display somewhere, maybe downstairs in the living room. I've never felt so bad unboxing something, because unboxing is supposed to make you happy. But with that amount of money and seeing all these things inside, I want to cry because I've known the heritage and the history of Chanel for the longest time, and I cannot believe that this is happening. Oh my god, I just wish they can do better so that, you know, they can at least glorify the name of Chanel again, someone that can continue the legacy of Gabrielle and KARL, something that would parallel the geniuses that they were. So I hope someday soon they can fix all the issues. And yeah, so the TikTok viral video is really true. You saw it. I showed it to you one by one. So makitang gulo ko sa unboxing na to. I'm gonna see you guys again next time. Gusto ko yung masaya. Ayoko na nito. Tapos ko, Lord, mag-unbox tayo, or I'm gonna show you my favorite Fendi's and lot of stuff that you've been requesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, or comment down below. Please comment what you'd like us to feature. That's, you know, if we can make it possible and I get to choose it as one of our contents, then that person that I'll be picking will be winning one of the mga things that I unboxed from the other advent calendars. But this one, huwag na kasi mapapahiya lang ako. So, there. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that you'll get to be notified with whatever it is that I'm going to do on my channel next time. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye!